Hello guys, hope you all are doing well, and today we are showing you something we digitized on our channel Lakeview Digitizing YouTube channel. What we are showing you today is a fire effect that we digitized, and the customer had it made by someone else before, so they wanted it redone and we made it. So see how we used techniques to give it a fire look. Now see, the first layer was applied. Now the second layer is being applied on top of it, and now we are running it object by object. See how first one layer ran, then the second. Now the text on top is being created. Actually, we input this text as it is, but its techniques were different. We will also tell you later which technique it was. And as you can see how much time it took to punch this and how we are running it color wise. This will run color by color, and now it's a bit difficult to save the trim in the text because it's different. Look, we ran it in counter stitch and see how beautiful the effect is. You can also run this effect and do it. See, now I am running it stitch by stitch. So now you will see how it ran stitch by stitch. First it ran clear, then the second layer ran. Now on top of this, a third layer is running. Because it goes in 3 layers, and then the text we punched has its effect. So guys, do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Lakeview Digitizing so that you keep getting new videos. And this was an order for a patch, because in patch orders a lot of attention has to be paid to the stitches. Yes, attention is needed in every design, but in patches things are much more complicated. Now look at its final look, how beautiful it is coming out. You can also see the before and after. I will show it to you with a black background behind it. We have given it the same look as it is. You see how beautiful the fire look is coming out. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our Lakeview Digitizing channel, and we will meet again in the upcoming new video. Until then, goodbye. Okay, bye.